Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to set a password in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a good idea to go and do as a password. Will go and keep your computer safe, your files and any other data you have on it. So let's go and add this. To come to the bottom of your computer and go and tap on the Windows Start button. What you then need to do is go and click on Settings. If you can't see it there, you can go and search for it. Now come over to the left and go and find the option for Accounts and Accounts. And scroll down into Account. Go and find Sign In Options and you can go and tap there, and what you then want to do is tap on Password. Now you can go over to the right and click Add, and what you need to do is go and enter in the password you want to go and have. Then go and add in a hint, and when you're ready, you press at the bottom right and then press Finish. So the next time you go and sign into your computer, you'll need to go and use that password you just set. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to catching the one when I can go and help you again.